All right, I want to show you how to use sidechain compression to help duck an instrument behind the lead vocal so that it doesn't interfere with the lead vocal. So we're going to give a listen to this verse. There's a couple synthesizers on the left and right channels that are surrounding the lead vocal. So let's give it a listen.
Karma coming for you soon. Mama, don't play that way. When you're drowning in the rising tide, who you gonna run and save?
So I want to have the synths be prominent there, but I don't want them to interfere with the lead vocal, which I feel that they are a little bit right now. So I'm going to employ sidechain compression in order to have those parts duck behind the lead vocal. So I've got those synths grouped, and on the group track I've installed Ableton's native compressor, and I'm going to go ahead and turn that on, and I'm going to click on this little triangle here to get to the sidechain section. I'm going to turn on sidechain, and then I want to select the instrument that I want to trigger the compressor, which is going to be, in this case, lead vocal, and that's already selected. So just do that again so you can see it. And so what's going to happen now is anytime the vocalist sings, it's going to drop the volume of the synthesizers in the background. And then when the vocalist stops singing, the synthesizers will come back up. But the key is to have it adjusted in such a way that it's very subtle so that the listener doesn't notice a change in the volume of the synthesizers. So I've gone ahead and set that at about 3 decibels. So we're going to go ahead and listen to the vocal track now with the sidechain off, and then I'm going to enable it, and then we'll be able to compare both.
Karma coming for you soon.
I'll wait till the second synth comes in.
When you're drowning in the rising tide,
So you can see it dropped it down a little bit. And there really wasn't much of a perceptible change in volume once the singer stopped singing. So that is the key to sidechain compression. You want to do it, but it should be subtle, where it's not this, where it's quiet when the vocalist is singing and then the synths jump up really loud. You want to avoid that. So the other thing you can do also with sidechain compression is you can set the EQ setting so that the sidechain compression is triggered when the certain frequencies are hit as they're coming into the compressor. So in this case, I've gone ahead and set a high shelf at starting at 1K, slightly over 1K. So what'll happen is when the synths start playing and the frequencies hit 1K and then above, it's basically going to lower that a little bit more. So the EQ setting allows for some additional flexibility. That is how you use sidechain compression to help a vocal track stand out in a mix.